Hey guys, what's up? Today, I'm showing you a quick and easy way to boost your FPS on Android using a free game booster app. Using this game booster, you can increase your phone's performance, giving you a better gaming experience. So, let's get to it then.